po. Thank you po sa lahat. Love you.
Hello guys, ito po ang Sinus Flowers Gifts and Surprises, and for today's video papunta ang aming team sa Tinajeros, Malabon para magatid ng isang birthday surprise para kay Miss Mutia Christine na magse-celebrate siya ng kanyang 27th birthday. Ito'y galing sa kanyang mama, kaya tara samahan niyo na kami, surprise na natin siya. Let's go!
It goes on and on and on. Remind me of everything tonight. Yes, I'm in the zone. Dreaming about the things that we could be. So it's gonna be forever. You already know. That's a real me when I'm in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Oh, is it too late now to say I need a one dance? And then we stop that now, singing like.
Hello po, Ma'am Miss Mutia po. Meron po kayong package, ma'am. Pa-check na lang po. Pa-receive na lang po, ma'am. Pa-open na lang po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Po, ma'am. Meron po kayong birthday card.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
May idea ka na ba kanino galing ang surprise?
Happy birthday.
At syempre, may message siya. Babasahin ko na lang. Ano?
Happy birthday to you.
To my beautiful daughter, happy birthday, Mutia. Wishes ng mama mo, good health and at dream mo matupad mo at enjoy your life. Don't stress yourself. Love you at Mutialog from your mama. Message mo para kay mama?
Happy birthday.
Thank you po. Thank you po sa lahat. Love you.
Ayan. Ayan, syempre meron kang money bouquet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy
At syempre, ang surprise, kasama kay Mr. J.R. De La Serna. Sir J.R. Ayan. Okay, wish muna before you blow. Yan, happy birthday! Message mo, sir, para sa kanya? Message mo para kay mom.
Sana di magbago at laging mabait.
Ma, salamat po. Salamat po sa sacrifice sa aming magkakapatid. Yun lang. Mahal naman kita po. Kahit nag-aaway tayo palagi.
Yan, message ulit para kay mama.
Thank you po, Mama. Love you. Ingat ka po palagi niya sa...
Happy